Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can easily fix if your microphone is not working for Logitech G432 and what you can actually do. So the first thing that you want to do is like not really difficult. Go to search and write control panel, and then when you're going to be in control panel, what you want to do is that you want to go to hardware and sound, and then press sound. Now, when you are going to be here in a sound, you are going to find in like your playback. You want to just like have your playback for set default, where you're gonna have the Logitech there. So the headset you want to have for default, but then you want to go to recording and to the microphone. And what you want to do is you want to disable and enable the microphone. So this is the first thing that you can try. So try to enable the microphone that you're using right now, and for the Logitech. And then what you can do also is that when you're gonna have it, you want to set it as a default if you don't have it as a default, and then you want to right click on it. And what you can also do is we can right click properties, and you can go to levels and get the microphone 100%. This is another thing that you can do. And then you can like check this, that it's going to be like one channel, but then you're going to have like allow applicants to take exclusive control. Yes. And you can also turn on these. So try it out if it's going to work out for you. So this is the first thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to fix the issue. Now, the second thing that you can do is that try to download a new driver for it. So that's another thing. And then you want to go to privacy and security. Oh no. Let's go to settings. And when we're going to be in settings right here, you want to go to privacy. And then you want to go to microphone. And allow apps to access your microphone. And yes, you want to have yes, that you want to allow it to. And that's pretty much it also what you can be done. And the last thing that you can do and try is that when you would be in a device manager, so you want to write device manager, and then you can have sound, video, and game controllers. And what you want to do is that when you're gonna have your audio right here and your sound, what you can do is you can disable the device. So like here, you would click disable device, and then you would enable it. And you can also enable device, and you can update it. So click here, right click and update. So that's something you can do, and possibly it's going to help you. So let me know in comments if it actually helps and some of it. And thank you very much, and have a great day, and goodbye.